In today's video, I'm gonna go over the Samsung Book 4 360 Pro. I am very excited about it. I pre-ordered the laptop. I wanted to get to the 3 version last year, but I decided to hold off a little bit to see if there's something with better options the next year, because I still had a good laptop. And I have the S8 Plus, the tablet here with the keyboard add-on if you want. And if you watch one of my last videos, you can see that I finally found the keyboard. So I got the Galaxy Buds for free with the laptop. We'll see how good it is. Wow, what are the chances? Okay. Ready? Okay, it's kind of heavy. Whew. It is really funny. If you watch one of my last videos, you will see that I wasn't very happy with the Galaxy Buds just because they have a really big fault in them. That is, if the box is closed, they will not tell you where they are. So if you lose them and they fall somewhere while you're hiking, nobody finds them, nobody bothers opening them or taking them somewhere, then you're not gonna see where they are. So I have the sound, okay. It's just gonna be lower quality in the first 8 minutes. I don't know what I was thinking getting this knife. Let's see. That didn't cut. That was the box. We got the nice adapter here. Super fast charging. It's pretty cool. I either have COVID or I don't smell anything. I smell everything. You know, like smell of new device or a new book or something. I love that. It brings out memories from my childhood. So I like to do that. You need to rip it like this, but I guess this could be an ASMR video. Oh, sexy. Wow. This kind of reminds me of the old, I forgot what it is, like one of the Macs, but the lighter version. I got it once, like, and I was like a Windows guy. It was the first time getting a Mac laptop, and I hated it. I returned it the second day, and then I got the Mac Pro, and I used it for a few years, and I liked it. But then I went back to Windows. So what do we have here? So we have this. I don't want to add more weight to the box here because it's on the keyboard, and that might stop the stream and not stop the recording or something. So we have the S Pen, which is cool. It comes with the laptop. They better, like, for the price that you're paying. And USB-C cable. I don't know what that is here. And okay, some guide or something. Nobody reads this. I'm not gonna throw this. Let's put it away. Back to the video. This is really nice. It feels really nice. And if we go here, oh my god, I think it's the same weight of the S8 Plus with the keyboard. This could be even heavier, the S8 Plus. And size-wise, well, the S8 Plus is 15-inch. This is 16. One of the things about the tablet, which I did a video about it, like a 1-year review, I encourage you to go watch it. It's like, it's really great to use the tablet, but if you want to use something like Visio or the full suite Microsoft Office, or if you just want to lie down on the couch or sit down and work on it without adding anything underneath it. It's really hard to do that with the tablet just because of the kickstand. It doesn't really work like if you want to sit down. Anyways, that's another review video which is already out there. I created. Nice. Feels good. I like it. And the mic is blocking, I guess. So my face for size comparison. Not that I'm a banana or something, but this is really light. I'm afraid to test the 360 aspect of it, just because I never had the 360 laptop. Whoa. Okay. That's really slick. I love it. Wow. Okay, but I don't know how to. Oh, okay. I guess I gotta learn how to be careful with it because I don't want to snap it. It looks sturdy enough. I was afraid that, like, if I'm using it in a train or something, this would shake a lot. But I think it's kind of stable. Like, it's not bad. So I'm gonna. They should have packaged this better. As in, like, when you want to try a laptop, you want to open it and you want to get in it right away. This should have been charged. At least have a charge or something. So it's not a charge, which sums up this unboxing video and stream. And we're gonna just finish it here, like it finishes that stream. And I'm gonna go downstairs and plug it in and start it. So in the review video, I will be going over some stuff like I definitely want to do video editing as part of my test. This is what's gonna decide whether I keep this laptop or not, to be honest. I need to do 4K video processing for YouTube, and I didn't see a lot of information whether this laptop can do that or not. It's just say like it's like the Intel Arc graphics. It's okay, it's not so bad, blah, blah, blah. If you asked me a few years ago, I would have said I want to run games on it, Call of Duty. But since I got the G15, I realized that I don't really like playing on a smaller screen when I'm traveling, and I don't like to play with the lower graphics. Like, even I know I can connect it to a TV or something, but it's not the same. I just want a sleek laptop, something that's not so heavy that I can use. And if it does, well, I want it to do 4K video editing. I can definitely try installing some games on it and see how it goes. If it's okay with the games, nothing crazy, then I'll be more than happy with it, since, you know, you're in the airplane and you can play some games. That's cool. I will test the battery for sure. But one of my main requirements is the 4K video editing processing capability. Ooh, that's a mouthful.